Hello students, today I am starting class 10th English writing section, letter writing. We have two types of letters, formal letters and informal letters. Formal letters are official letters. Letters written to principal, editor, manager, commissioner, officer or any other authority. Informal letters are personal letters. Letters written to friends, family members and relatives. So let's start with the format of formal letter. We will start the letter with sender's address. Sender means the person who is writing the letter. In sender's address, we will mention house number, street, town. After that, we will leave one line and mention the date. We need not to mention the word DATE, date. After that, we will leave one line and then we will write the receiver's address whom we are writing. First, we will write the designation. Suppose we are writing to the principal or the manager, the commissioner, the editor. Then we have to write the name of the firm or institution or the name of the newspaper. Then the address of that office. After leaving one line, we have to write the salutation. After writing salutation, we will again leave one line and then we will write subject in not more than 6 to 8 words. Then again we have to leave one line and we will write the body of the letter in 3 to 4 paragraphs. In first paragraph, we will give the introduction, in which we will give the introduction of the writer and the problem. Then in second paragraph, we will write the main content, causes and effects of the problem. In third paragraph, we will write the conclusion, suggestion for solving the problem. After that, we will again leave one line and write yours truly, and in the next line we will write the name, sender's name. If the name is given in the question, you will use that name, otherwise you have to write XYZ. Let's see a letter to editor. Question is, you are Mohan Mohini of 627 Sector 55 Faridabad. The roads of your area are in bad condition. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily highlighting the issue. Now let's see. First of all, we have to write the sender's address mentioned in the question. House number 627 Sector 55 Faridabad. Then we have left one line and then we have mentioned the date. Then again we have left one line blank and then we have written the receiver's address. Receiver is the editor, the Hindustan Times, New Delhi. Then after again we have left one line and then we have written the salutation. After that we have left one line and then we have mentioned the subject, bad condition of roads in Sector 55 Faridabad. Again we have left one line and then we have started the body of the letter. I am a resident of Sector 55 Faridabad. I am an ardent reader of your national daily. Through the column of your newspaper, I want to draw the kind attention of the concerned authorities towards bad condition of roads. It is a very serious problem. People of our area are facing this problem from last 6 months. The conditions are becoming bad to worse. It has become so difficult to survive in such conditions. The condition of roads are very bad. Roads are cracked from many places. There are many potholes on these roads. It is difficult to pass through such roads. Due to this, students and office goers often get late for their schools and offices. The number of accidents have been increasing day by day because of so many potholes and uncovered manholes on roads. We have complained about it to the local authorities many times, but no action has been taken yet. So, I request you to give some space to my views in your esteemed newspaper. I shall be thankful to you for this. Yours truly, Mohan. Thank you.